time to embark on a new build. Let's do this. This is my 12-foot smoker craft. I promised my wife that it would remain a perfect family-friendly vessel, and I intend to keep that promise by adding a casting deck front and rear and making it basically the most fishable bass and fly fishing boat you've ever seen. So as a full disclaimer, I have never done anything like this. I have gone to YouTube University right here and learned everything. If I run into any headaches, concerns, questions, I'm going to note it here so you can learn from my oopsies. This Alaskan Series smoker craft measures 11 feet 6 inches long. It has a beam of 63 inches. It's got a 15 horsepower Mercury 2-stroke on it and includes a Garmin depth finder. Now overall, this thing is a super stable boat that's perfect for a casting deck. You ever take a moment before you jump into a project and just have this moment of like, oh crap, that's a lot of work? That's where I'm at. I'm already well underway with this project because behind the scenes I have made some big orders. Things like a trolling motor for it, material from Tiny Boat Nation. I'll show you the kit that I got from them, a couple kits. Little snips to make it happen with the sheet metal or aluminum. There's also an electrical kit in here from Tiny Boat Nation. Over here I have a whole bunch of components. These are everything from nav lights to bilge pumps to other miscellaneous crap I'm gonna need. And Grizzly hooked me up with something so rad. This is a TIG welder from Grizzly Industrial. It is awesome for either steel or aluminum applications, so we're gonna put that sucker to work. I'm already at kind of a design impasse because I want the deck to be higher up, but the amount of time and effort it takes to bring that deck all the way up to like 4 inches lower than the gunnels, it's a lot. And I could just build right off these seats that are in place already, and they're already structurally set. I'm leaning in that direction. See, I need to figure out how to do this part. So maybe in between, I'll do a couple little notches here. We'll see what it does. Fun fact, I have never riveted once in my life. So this is gonna be kind of an exciting endeavor. We'll see how it goes. Oh my God! What in the world? That is nuts! So this is the face of someone who is both elated, excited that I got to do something new, and feeling like an absolute idiot. Because apparently, I did this backwards. I want the pretty end, the more flush end on the outside. So I'm also gonna have a new first, which is gonna be removing that ribbon. Off to a good start. Gotcha. So at this point I have the perimeter done for the main section. Now I gotta figure out where my hatch is going to go. This whole front section is just kind of meh. It's just gonna look stupid. I don't want it to look stupid. I want it to look like I put some thought into it. I want my trolling motor to go across, so I gotta have this kind of spaced properly and looking good. I'm gonna put some thought into this sucker. So there you go. It's like an Etch-a-Sketch version of actual engineering. All right, so I'm gonna remove the template, go ahead and put in my substructure, which is gonna be out of the angle aluminum. Then we'll move on to the next step. It's gonna look like kind of a hot mess of structure here, but I think we'll get there. The next step is figuring out where my trolling motor needs to live. So I'm gonna remove this original bow cover here and really just position the new motor mount and see where I can have clearance. So what have I been up to? A lot. I placed a dam of foam against the front side of the seat. That keeps my foam flotation stuff that I'm gonna be pouring in, keeps it nice and, well, this direction, instead of going under the seat. I've installed my very large storage container in the middle of the deck. That's in place and set, looking pretty good. I also ran some conduit here, so it goes from the backside of a control panel area that'll be accessible on the inside of the boat. Ran some conduit right up underneath the deck. Also have welded up this trolling motor mount. Still have some work to do on that to get it to fit perfectly, but we're in the home stretch. It was a busy day.